is the elevator here at Boscov's at Woodbridge Center in Woodbridge, New Jersey.
Well, this is a big elevator. LL? Why does it say, the floor indicator say okay?
That's messed up. This used to be Haynes and then it was Fortunoff. Alright. You well?
You well?
See if I can. No, it doesn't turn.
No. We're only going to take one ride because there's a camera in here. This is just your basic Westinghouse elevator.
Actually, I'd like to take another ride because you talked over the motor.
Sorry.
Alright, you guys wait there. I'll be right back. Come on in. Go ahead. You're welcome. Go ahead. All right.
Hi.
Now let's ring the bell. Alright. There it goes. And that's it.